3 Swords Germany brand quality 8-piece manicure. Not as sharp as I hoped for. Update, this seller is excellent. Even though I never asked for a replacement, they saw that I was less than pleased with the tweezers I purchased and they kindly sent me a better one. I am so pleased with this one. Thank you so much. I highly recommend this seller and wouldn't hesitate to purchase from them again. You don't often find a seller who goes above and beyond to make their customers happy. Changed this to 5 stars. Anself Manicure Pedicure Acrylics Electric Drill Nail Pen Machine. This manicure pedicure set is used for pedicure and manicure. With these units, you can easily and gently treat your hands and feet to a standard of perfection and elegance, suitable for professional or home use. Features, easy to use dialing speed control. Forward and reverse operation switch. For everyday body care, this manicure and pedicure set is an ideal addition. With these units, you can easily and gently treat your hands and feet to a standard of perfection and elegance. For pedicure and manicure. Suitable for professional use, nail salon, or home use. Specifications, main part, input voltage, 110 VAC output voltage, 017 VDC power max, 10 W output current, 0.8 A color, gray size, 13.8.56 cm weight, 671 G handle piece part, working voltage, DC 312V rated current, 0.56 A no load speed, 18,000-20,000 RPM load speed, 16,000-18500 RPM size, 14.5-2.5 cm weight, 160 G package size, 24.5 15.6.5 cm package weight, 950 G 33.51 package including 1 power supply and control, 1 nail drill pen, 1 plastic holder for drill pen, 6 optional bits, 6 sanding bands, 1 operation manual. LOL 8482 Professional Electric Nail Art Salon Drill Glazing. LOL Love You Love Life. Description: this LOL glazing nail drill machine is a high-quality manicure and pedicure file. The versatile filing system for any workstation allows the handpiece to work under a reasonable temperature. Comes with the foot pedal. It is easier to use and control without occupying your busy hands when doing nail art. Specifications: main part voltage, AC 110 V 60 Hz power output, 15 W handpiece part voltage, DC 312V rotation, 4,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM sanding bands, 80-100-120 features, low noise and vibration for smooth and long time operation, replaceable fuse for much easier maintaining, lightweight handpiece for comfortable grip, ventilation for reducing the handpiece heat, twist handpiece for security, the bit firmly purple cradle for holding the handpiece, foot pedal for convenient control, switch, 6 optional bits. Filing heads, easy bit change using no tool, suitable for pedicure and manicure. Package include electric nail drill machine, main control handpiece, table stand for handpiece, foot pedal, power control, 30x electric nail file, drill bits, shank size, 6 optional bits, filing heads, 100 pieces of sanding bands with degree 80, 100 pieces of sanding bands with degree 150, 100 pieces of sanding bands with degree 240. Full function toenail clipper, nail care, personal manicure pedicure. The set contains nail scissors, nail clippers, cuticle pusher, nail file, tweezers, nail cleaner, toenail clippers, and cuticle trimmers. With this kit you won't need to buy single product when you want clip your nails, single space for each tool, zipper closure, and with a clear view of all the tool you need, easy to storage and carry, looks exquisite and fits into your travel luggage and handbags easily, handy for use. Kindly note, please keep away from children because both of the clipper and pusher Our extremely sharp. Color show as picture package include 1x set of nail kit. Workable 13 PCS stainless steel manicure pedicure set travel and grooming. Well made set. Hard to find in my area, glad you offer it. Thanks. Merry Christmas. Workable 16 PCS brown stainless steel manicure pedicure set travel. It took a while to arrive because it was shipped from China, but this is a very nice kit with every possible nail tool you could ever want. Good quality tools in a very nice leather suede case. Hobei stainless steel manicure pedicure ear pick nail clippers set. Great little kit. I wasn't expecting much for such an inexpensive price, but it came well packaged and quickly. I even like the storage case it came in.